give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. Today I'm gonna learn you the concept of the foot to knee. Let's get into it. I use a lot of concepts to expand my creativity in dancing. So one of the concepts I use is that my foot is stuck to my knee, like this. I put some glue, I take my foot, and now it's stuck, you see? Can't go. I do this on the left side, but I also do this on the right side. A lot of signature moves I found is by using this concept. One example, for example, is this one. Whoop! What I also do is that I switch the shape from this side to the other side. So another signature move I use is this one. Da, 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 da. What you do is you go to practice and you think, okay, my foot is stuck on my knee. Then you're gonna freestyle. Start off by just using one shape. So it's just this. You're gonna search for moves, shapes, go up, down, boom, da, try to step. Search for stuff, go, da, da, freezes, switch. So now you can also switch. You're gonna switch, boom, boom, switch, 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 and do a signature, boom, switch, boom, boom, switch, da. You keep searching, da, 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 da. You keep searching. You can do this too. Make sure to keep practicing using concepts to expand your creativity. Enough talking now. Go to practice, like, subscribe. See you next week.
Yo, can't get enough of our tutorials? Click on the link right here. And if you want to support us even more, you can buy some merch at theruggeds.com.